What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fluid token. Name of the token is Fluid. Ticker symbol is also Fluid. Now this token, it was just announced, will be getting a very big central exchange listing on a very big central exchange coming soon. We're going to go over the information on the Fluid network and how you can get the Fluid token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they're going to have, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here at OX Fluid. Gold verified checkmark, 537 posts. It says an ever-evolving DeFi protocol and base for future financial systems by InstaDApp. And they have a link to their DApp that you could use right there. Fluid.instadapp.io. 18,400 Twitter followers. If you go over to the link right there, the fluid.instadapp.io, you can find a whole bunch of other links at the bottom of the page as well. And it was just announced on Bybit's Twitter at Bybit_official, and Fluid retweeted it here. The Fluid token is coming soon to Bybit spot trading platform. Deposits and withdrawals will be available via the Fluid network. It says coming soon, spot trading. So this token will be live soon on Bybit. Now it doesn't give an exact date and time yet when this token will be listed. But if you follow the OX Fluid Twitter or you follow at Bybit_official, they will announce the date and time coming soon. Then, if you don't have a Bybit account, you could download Bybit from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. Fund your account with USDT. Then when they give a time and date on one of the socials here, you would go into the trade section, search Fluid, the ticker symbol, and then buy the token once it gets listed. You will have to wait, obviously, till it does get listed. And in the meantime, if you follow OX Fluid here on Twitter, I'm sure there's going to be tons of other announcements for central exchanges or decentralized exchanges, all sorts of new token listing announcements. As it gets closer to the TGE, you'll be able to see other places, because Bybit may not be available in your country. You may not want to use that central exchange for whatever reason. So just stay tuned, and there'll be other announcements as it leads up to their listing date. Now, introducing Fluid, revolutionizing DeFi. Fluid's innovative features, including its liquidity layer, automated limits, lending and vault protocols, robust Oracle system, and DEX protocol, collectively create a revolutionary financial layer poised to redefine how DeFi users interact with the ecosystem. Fluid is more than just a protocol. It is a catalyst for the future of DeFi. Fluid is the culmination of years of pioneering work in the decentralized finance landscape by InstaDApp. With a rich history of simplifying underlying DeFi protocols and introducing sophisticated strategies, Fluid represents a new frontier in DeFi innovation. Built upon the foundation of liquidity consolidation, automated limits, and cutting-edge protocols, Fluid stands as the most advanced, secure, and flexible lending protocol in the DeFi space. This protocol not only simplifies user experiences, but also paves the way for a more efficient and interconnected DeFi ecosystem. So they have blog articles that you could check out at blog.instadapp.io. And it says this is a protocol 1.5 years in the making. Fluid is a culmination of experience gained from building on top of Aave, Compound, Uniswap, Maker, and Curve. It takes the best features they offer to transform the lending and borrowing space. So it says InstaDApp has played a leading role in the DeFi landscape right from the start in 2018. Back then, the term DeFi didn't even exist, and it was referred to as open finance. InstaDApp has for a long time been solely a middleware protocol, simplifying underlying protocols and introducing sophisticated flash loan strategies to augment protocol functionalities. Over the years, InstaDApp has been deeply involved in innovating the largest lending in DeFi, such as MakerDAO, Aave, and Compound. So Fluid is the culmination of all this work here, all these years, a lending protocol, building a unique, novel functionalities over the years. Fluid has taken inspiration from these major protocols. We've built a protocol that combines many familiar elements related to efficiency, security, and usability. The composition creates a new fundamental layer for DeFi upon which many protocols can be built. So it is the most advanced, the most secure, most flexible, and most efficient protocol in the lending space, all while maintaining the simplest user experience. Before diving deep into the technical complexities of the protocol, let's see how simple it'll be for the users. So if you want to find out the complicated details about this protocol, there is a couple document sections you can review at the bottom of their page here. So if you go to the fluid.instadapp.io page and you scroll down at the very bottom, there is general docs and technical docs. They have Twitter, Discord, GitHub, email, borrowing, lending, refinancing, bug bounty, all sorts of links at the bottom of their page. So a few simple concepts inspired by other DeFi protocols. So Uniswap v3 has the slot-based liquidity and optimized liquidation exponentially. MakerDAO has the vault mechanism to provide better asset security, reducing complexities in gas overhead and automated ceilings. Compound and Aave, pool-based liquidity with calculated risks and rates curved through utilization. And Curve Uniswap designing a concept of smart debt and smart collateral, allowing users to use their collateral and debt as DEX liquidity. And some of the other features that Fluid enables is the highest loan to value, the LTV, better rates for lenders and borrowers, highest security standards by isolating risk, automated limits and protocol class, earning on collateral and debt with smart collateral and smart debt, lowest liquidation penalties, lowest liquidation gas, and capital optimization with no segregation. So go check out Fluid, getting that Bybit listing soon and getting other central exchange listings soon as well, I'm sure. So just follow the socials to find out dates and times. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.